差不多。Today we're doing final sprint of my mid-century modern house. Actually not final sprint lah, semi-final, three-quarter final. Because some things haven't arrived, but it's good enough. So, actually I'm very immensely proud of myself and the team for how the house turned out. It looks exactly what I envisioned, which is ironic for me to say lah, because all the projects should all come out exactly how I envisioned. But this one especially so because it's not so easy. A lot of technical details and a lot of precision and requirement for workmanship to be good. So I am very happy with how it turns out lah. Just a little glitch here and there because for the bedroom we're supposed to have a retro pattern board of sorts, but there was some issue with the machine, so cut halfway, then ran into problems. So other than that one that cannot be fixed up, the rest are more or less there already. So today is a matter of zhenging all the accessories, touch up paint, then make sure the lights work, patch up certain stuff, yeah, like just big and small touches here and there. Then we are good for Monday to do a semi handover. So I can't wait. Later I'll come back again because I just went up there and did a million things, like mark out the positions of all my posters, and then yeah lah, just 交代 a lot of things lah before I go off. So later I'll be back and check on the progress. So happy. Okay, today I'm the styling Assam. So putting in all the necessary stuff and then can start up already. Partial start up. So nice, right? The cushions. I love them. So I have pots here, plant pots. Plants all waiting to go into position. More shelf fixed, but nothing on them yet. All these chairs ready to go into position. All this not up yet. This whole wall is not up yet. Everything else done. Done. And towards the end, after they've cleaned up, I'm going to put in these two floor mats. So choose. Okay, this is a surprise that I got for my client because it's her birthday. So I got this for her. I love it, so chill. Okay, so these are the wooden boards that we will be putting up on the wall. These are the ill-fated wooden boards that cut halfway, the machine broke down. So it's very retro. All the patterns are very retro, which I love it. So it will be from floor to ceiling. And then eventually the bed will be here between.